Expressões para reuniões e apresentações. To get the ball rolling, take it offline, to touch base. Você já se sentiu perdido no meio de uma reunião, uma apresentação com vocabulários, expressões em inglês que você não conhece? Então, eu vou te passar aqui algumas palavras de alta frequência que são usados muitos em reuniões e apresentações, e eu fiz uma animação para colocar essas palavras em contexto. Depois eu coloquei a tradução em português e todo o diálogo, né, que é falado. Circle back, action items, follow up, to be on the same page, raise the issue, wrap up, and table the discussion.
Good morning. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's start by reviewing the key points from last week's meeting. We need to make sure we're all on the same page regarding the project timeline.
Agreed. Before we dive deeper, I'd like to raise the issue of the budget constraints for the next quarter. I think it's something we should address soon.
That's a good point. But maybe we should take it offline and discuss the budget separately. For now, let's focus on the main action items for today.
Sure thing. We can circle back on the budget for later. For the expansion project, I think we might need to table the discussion until we have more data for the sales team.
That makes sense. We can definitely circle back on that during our next meeting. Now, before we wrap up, let's confirm who is responsible for each action and set some deadlines.
Agreed. I'll follow up with the team tomorrow to ensure we're making progress. I also touch base with the marketing department to see if they need any additional support.
Perfect. Let's keep this momentum going and make sure to stay aligned. Thanks, everybody.